Hello everyone, this is Chris from Senieer. Today we are going to continue our FAQ videos. I hope you enjoy. The first question for today is, what is a clean room? Clean rooms are defined as a specially constructed, environmentally controlled, enclosed spaces with respect to airborne particulates, temperature, humidity, air pressure, airflow patterns, air motion, vibration, noise, viable living organisms, and lighting. The second question for today is, what is the difference between net weight and the capacity? Net weight is the weight of something without counting packages and covers, but capacity includes everything that the product can hold. Gross weight is the total of net weight and tare weight. The third question for today is, what is pharmaceutical checklist? Pharmaceutical checklist is a powerful tool used to assist drug manufacturers in performing systematic safety and quality audits across their facilities, products, and processes. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.